And I really ask of you guys, if you're watching, to please subscribe to my channel. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm here to review this camera tripod, this phone tripod that I bought the other day. You know guys, I've been using this one. It's an Huawei kind of selfie stick. I got it as one of my wedding gifts in 2016. So I really wanted to get something that is a bit upgraded, and since I haven't got a camera, I was like, let me just find maybe a tripod that can really, I can put my phone anywhere, and then I can make better videos for you guys which are not shaky. And I came across this VCT 5208 tripod. It's called Yunteng. I got it from one of the shops in Abu Dhabi. Actually, they were selling it at 84 dirhams, but thank God I bought it at 50 dirhams. Yes, so it's a mobile phone tripod. It can also work as a camera tripod. It has a Bluetooth shutter for iPhone, ISO, and Android 4.3 or newer mobile phones. It's not for cameras. Let's open and see. So guys, as you can see, I can carry it if it's not in the box on my bag, and then I can move around, take my videos. I like this bag that's came in. Here it is. So where is the remote? So guys, this is the remote. This is where you keep it. You can just easily remove it and put it back. You actually just charge the remote. The remote is just chargeable. You can use this cable to charge the remote. This is the tripod. You can put it any length that you want. As you can see, you just open this. You know, it's really so long, guys. It's really so long. It's like my height. Because actually I'm around 5'1", 5'2" there. So guys, as you can see, this is it. So the remote goes here. This is where I put the remote. I can put it here. Yeah. Actually, this tripod, it has two charger cables for this remote, and this is where the phone goes. Actually, where you put the phone. So if you want to, it depends on the size that you want, you can always adjust it to where you want it. If you want to have it more, you know, any size that you want, it's where you can put it. You can choose to put the camera anywhere you want. So this is adjustable. You can adjust it on the camera, like where you can put the phone. This is the opening, so you just put it here. Make sure it's firm. think I'm good to go. So you can turn this either where you want to put the phone. So when you're putting the phone, you have, like there is a metal here. You can just adjust. Actually, even here, this one moves up. Actually, it's very longer than that. You can choose to leave it here, or you can choose to pull it up. You can imagine pulling it up and then pulling out all these. It can see the full body. So this is where you can firm it to make it firm. And then you're good to go. You can choose to make it a little down, anywhere you want, and adjust it. So this one you can always open it so that you are able to put the phone, and then you can screw it back so that the phone is firm. Let me show you an example. I have my other phone. So this is my iPhone, the one I'm shooting with, but now this is just an LG phone. I'll just show you an example. I don't know if it works on LG because this is kind of a small phone. It's a small phone, but if it's iPhone, it fits very well. So yeah, actually it fits. So here you can be able to shoot. You are able to shoot anywhere you want, and then you're good to go. If you want to take maybe like a photo, this is a landscape. This is like a landscape, and then if you want a portrait, still you can do it just like this. Make sure everything is firm, and like this you can still shoot a video. You just have to make sure it's so if you want like this, you can shoot your video. If you want like this, you can shoot your video, and then you can use your, because before I was using a timer, but now I can use my remotes. I just open the Bluetooth for iPhone, and then I connect it to this remote controller, and then I stand where I want, set up myself properly, and then I click it, and then I'm good to go. I shoot my video, I take my Instagram photos. So yes, I'm so in love with this Yunteng tripod. You guys should look for it, because for me I bought it here in Dubai. It's everywhere in Dubai shops. I saw it in Carrefour as well. Carrefour they have, but actually I think it's around 100 dirhams, somewhere like that. But this one I got it in Abu Dhabi. In these these shops in the mall, in the shopping malls. I got it in Hamdan Center, level 2. This is where I got this one. So yes, I really love it, guys. If I'm to read for you the details, this Bluetooth remote manual, you just turn it on, you switch on the phone. It shows you how to connect it, and then it also gives you the directions on how to use on iPhone or Android. So yes, that is all the review I have for you guys. Hope you like the video. Actually, I like it. I really feel so relieved, because every time I wanted to take videos or photos of me, I'm using this selfie stick to position it, and sometimes it falls down. I feel like my phone is going to break, but now I feel like I've upgraded. And even if I get a phone, still I'll keep this phone tripod. Even if I get a camera and the camera tripod and everything, like I'm upgrading, I'll still keep it, because it works well on my iPhone, and I'm good to go. Thank you guys for sticking by. For all those who are already subscribed, I welcome you, all the new subscribers, and I really ask of you guys, if you're watching, to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.